Since 1968, MasterCraft has manufactured premium towboats, and the NXT series continues that tradition. The NXT series makes the MasterCraft experience attainable for those looking to upgrade from their current model or for customers experiencing MasterCraft for the first time. In this video, we'll be discussing how the NXT series came to be, how the NXT series has evolved over the years, and what's new for the 2023 model year. Also, make sure to stick around towards the end of the video to see pricing for the 2023 NXT series. Now, let's dive in. Back in 2014, MasterCraft set out with the goal of manufacturing an attainable premium towboat and introduced the world to the NXT series. The original models had their own NXT surf systems, forward-facing towers, a unique hull design that separated them from the rest of the MasterCraft lineup, and came in a 20-foot and 22-foot length. All of those features came with the legendary MasterCraft quality, but with simplicity in mind. Simplicity meaning they could be contented down, or in other words, have less options that customers didn't necessarily want or need in order to attain an affordable price without sacrificing performance. As time went on, MasterCraft continued to develop the NXT series and started to incorporate more of the features. Features such as rear-folding ZFT tower systems and a completely redesigned surf-specific hull introduced in the 2020 model year. Prior to 2020, the NXT was only available in a 20 and a 22-foot model, but due to customer demand, the NXT 24 was released in 2020 and has quickly become one of MasterCraft's best-selling 24-foot models. With each edition, customers could equip their NXT model with the premium features that they want and disregard the options that they don't need, all while keeping the MasterCraft look and quality. Our customers love the NXT series because it's a reliable workhorse of a boat backed by a 5-year bow-to-stern warranty. Now, standard with a 6.0-liter Ilmor engine, Z-Series towers with standard clamping board racks, and previously mentioned redesigned hull, the NXT series is perfect for any towboat enthusiast that is looking for MasterCraft quality but doesn't need all the extra amenities of the XT and the X series. With each model year that passes by, MasterCraft continues to innovate and elevate the NXT series. With 5 available sizes between 20 and 24 feet, you can find the perfect boat to match your needs and storage capacity. Finally, let's discuss what's new for the 2023 NXT series. First being the all-new NXT 21 and NXT 23, featuring a hybrid bow design. These additions complete the NXT lineup, ensuring that there's a perfect boat length for any family. One of our favorite options for 2023 is a flip-down swim step, which is now available in the NXT 21, 22, 23, and 24. This swim step gives an easy entry and exit into the water with one hand. Additional upgradable options include convertible rear seating, cool feel vinyl, and MasterCraft's new Connect app and telematics. This app allows you to check the status of your gas tank, show on-the-water restaurants, and keep track of important service information for your dealer. Additionally, there is a new standard ballast capacity compared to previous years with a maximum storage space. Finally, all NXTs are available with SurfStar, MasterCraft's surf system. With new military-grade actuators and precise positioning sensors, SurfStar creates the most customizable wake in the industry for everyone in the family. Alright, let's now talk about the pricing for the NXT series. For 2023, the NXT series starts at $109,900 or $779 a month. When looking at how we see most of our customers option their boats, you can expect to pay anywhere between $115,000 and $175,000 for a new NXT series model. The pricing may vary depending on how many upgradable options you choose to equip your boat with. For the most up-to-date pricing information, make sure to talk to your local MasterCraft dealer for more information. If you have any more questions about the NXT series from MasterCraft, make sure to stop by your local Action Water Sports or visit our learning center at actionwater.com for more information. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more boating content. Until then, we'll see you on the water.